Do you want to know how you can log into your Xenium Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xenium Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and search for Xenium Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the login portal site. If you scroll down, you can see there are two different types of portal, employee and manager, and you can see there are swipe clocks and time work plus. You can see there are different types of mode and you can click on one of these and you can see that a login portal will appear in front of you after this authentication will complete. So you can log into your account writing down your username. Write down your username in the first box and write down your password in the second box. After you've written down your password, make sure to check it once and click login. This way you can sign in to your Xenium employee portal. Same goes for your manager, and there are different types of functionalities like Timeworks and Time Work Plus. So you can go ahead and check these and you can click these if you have the time to do that. So go ahead and do this, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video.